Yes, I know that you are fine. Now let's start our learning session. So last week only we met in our science class. Now let's see how our food habits affects our body. So for this, see this pep activity.
This figure shows some of the ways in which people around the world eat their food. Identify the tools they use to eat and fill in the blanks. So what is the most important rule to remember before eating food? Use the circled letters from the words in figure 3.
While we eat our food, we have to follow certain safety measures. What are the safety measures? Before food, what you have to do? You have to wash your hands properly. And when you are using vegetables or fruits, you have to clean the vegetables and fruits with water. And always prefer to buy fresh vegetables. One more thing, we are cooking and we are keeping our food. We have to store our food properly. Otherwise, what will happen? Yes. One gust is there, no? What is that? Germs. Yes, germs will come and enter into that food and it will spoil our food. And we have to be very careful to clean our kitchen area. So this kitchen area should be free from dust, germs and this pests such as cockroaches. Whatever we are eating, that our food is very nutritious, isn't it? So this food is nutritious to certain germs also. These germs carry illness-causing diseases such as vomiting, stomachache, diarrhea, etc. You know what is diarrhea? It is a condition of our body which we suffer from loose motion. Our stool will be very loose and it will continuously flow and it will dehydrate. It will lead to what? It will lead to dehydration of the body. So do you know what is the only method to prevent this? We have to cook and store our food properly and we have to save our food from germs. These germs always prefer to live in warm condition. So what we have to do? We have to store our food in cold condition. We should use some refrigerator or freezer to preserve our food. It is a good practice to wash the vegetables and fruits and consume as soon as it is possible. And always prefer to wash these vegetables and fruits with water and vinegar. So our vegetables and fruits will be free of these germs. And one more thing you have to do, that you should not waste your food. So for that, what you have to do? Cook only the amount of food which we needed and always store the food properly, isn't it? So children, we should always use nutritious food. You know, there are certain people who do this job about the knowledge of food. They are the nutritionists. What the nutritionists are doing? They plan and design the nutritious food. Next category is food analyst. They check the food, whether the food is spoiled or good. They will check and give us a report. Next type is pet nutritionist. What they are doing? They are giving suggestions for the nutritious food for the pets. So this nutritionist, food analyst and the pet nutritionist, they are doing the job. What is their job? They use the knowledge of their nutrition lane. So children, we should always maintain a healthy food habits to lead a healthy life. So we are going to concluding this lesson. So before that, I will just review this lesson. So we have studied various types of food. The infants, how the infants are taking food, how the adult is taking food, isn't it? And then we discussed about 3 types of food. They are energy giving food, body building food and protection giving food. And one more type of food, that is healthy food and junk food. Then we discussed about the importance of vitamins and minerals. Then the necessity of water in our diet. And next we studied about the fiber, roughage. We should include fiber in our food for proper digestion and absorption. And afterwards we have studied the health and hygiene. The health and hygiene of food. How to preserve food and how to store food. And last we studied we should not waste our food. Now are you clear about this chapter? So we should maintain cleanliness in our food, and the tips to manage the conditions such as dehydration, diarrhea, stomachache, constipation. This all topic we have gone through. Next, we should respect and care our food. We should not waste our food. Okay, are you clear about this chapter? So we are winding up this lesson. So children, please do your homework. I will be forwarding some homeworks for you in the activities. The activities which I am mentioning you have to do in your studio, and rest all the notes you have to copy in your file, and afterwards you have to write and practice in your rough book. Okay children, thank you.